Hello class, my name is Thompson. I'm a trainer at Rubavu Technical College TVET, and today we are going to learn together the module which is called DVD Player Repair. And today's topic, we are going to see how to prepare a DVD for repairing. At the end of this session, each learner will be able to select and arrange different tools, materials, and equipment required while repairing a DVD player. Firstly, you may ask yourself, what is a DVD player? Honestly, a DVD player is an electronic device for playing DVDs. DVD is a technology based on optical data storage similar to compact disc. Optical data storage is a method of storing digital information by using light to read that information. As a professional technician, when you want to repair a DVD player, firstly, you have to prepare the workplace accordingly. You have to select PPE, which are personal protective equipment meant to protect you against any hazard while doing any kind of repairing, such as there is a glove, which is used to protect your hands. There is a helmet, which is used to protect your head. There is a goggles, which is used to protect your eyes. There is a noise mask, and so on. After you finish to select PPE, you are going to select tools, materials, and equipment required while repairing a DVD player. As you can see, there is a universal screwdriver, which is used to do assembling and disassembling a DVD player. There is a fat screwdriver, which is used according to the shape of the screw. There is an Allen key, there is a cutting pliers, there is a blower. As you can see, it's used for cleaning while you finish to repair a DVD player. There is a soldering iron, there is a desoldering pump, there is a digital multimeter, as you can see, there is a cleaning solution, there is a soldering station, as you can see, there is a magnifying glass, which is used to zoom in or to magnify any electronic component embedded to the circuit of a DVD player. Those are the tools, materials, and equipment required while repairing a DVD player. As you already finished to select tools, materials, and equipment required for DVD player repairing, now we are going to do what is called assembling and disassembling. Firstly, disassembling is the process to break down or to separate one device into many pieces. And assembling is to fix together separated pieces in order to form one whole. And now we are going to see the main part of a DVD player. Firstly, we are going to see external part. External part are all parts in which you can see by your eyes directly. When you are going to see the external part, firstly, there is a cover, this one, which is used to protect the internal component. Secondly, there is a volume control right here, this one, which is used to adjust and disadjust the volume. There is a power inlet, is this cable, which is used to supply AC current, which is found at our home socket or our wall socket directly to the internal part of this DVD player. There is an audio and video inlet and outlet system, such as like a USB port. As you can see this one, it's used to support the USB. And also, there is right here an SD card slot, and also some DVD has an HDMI port. There is a power switch. Those one are menu button. As you can see, this one is a remote control. As we finish to see the external part of this DVD player, we are going to do a disassembling in order to reach the internal part of this DVD player. As you can see, there are three main internal parts of this DVD player. The first one, this one. As you can see, this is a power supply of a DVD player. And the second one, this one, is the control module of this DVD player. And the last one is a DVD driver, this one, of this DVD player. Firstly, you may ask yourself, what is the use of a DVD player power supply? A DVD player power supply, it's used to convert alternative current, which is found to our home socket or our wall socket, into direct current, which is required by the internal component to work properly. A control module of a DVD player is an electronic circuit which made to execute all command given by the user of a DVD player. It means the control module of a DVD player is act like a brain of the DVD player because it executes all command which came from the user. The main component of a DVD drive set, there is a RAIN system which is used to read the hidden information to the DVD. And the second one is called DC motor and mechanical driving system, which is used to open and to close a DVD drive set. Thank you for your attention. In our next session, we will see how to repair a DVD player power supply. I hope as we're running together, you already take some note and do practical exercise with me. See you next time. Enjoy.